to go replace the batteries, right? Well, what if you don't have any batteries, or you just have one? Well, here's a simple trick. The juice from one fresh battery is typically enough to power a small device like a remote control. So go raid your junk drawer and fish out a screw or bolt that's about the size of the battery that you need. You can place it into the battery compartment. This is going to complete the circuit, and then you can turn your device right back on. Everything's going to work as normal. All right, let's move into saving money on your bills. Here in Portland, Oregon, we get charged every 3 months for water and sewage. The rates on that can get quite high. But using this simple trick, I was able to reduce my bill dramatically. Just head into your bathroom, remove the lid from the top of your toilet, fill up a 1-liter bottle and place it into the corner of the tank. Now, the average home flushes a toilet about 5 times a day. With each flush, you'll save about a liter. That's more than a gallon a day or 30 gallons a month. So by putting a simple bottle in your toilet tank, you can conserve water and cut down on your bill. Now, what about internet service? Fast broadband service can cost more than $1,000 a year. So have a conversation with your neighbor and see if they want to split that cost with you. Just share your Wi-Fi password and tell them to get rid of their service, or vice versa. You just cut your bill in half. Now, sometimes your clothes need a little sprucing up in the smell department, but you really want to go to the store and pay $4 or $5 for a bottle of fabric refresher that you can easily make with stuff laying around your house? Probably not. Just get yourself a small spray bottle, pour in about a cup of warm water. Next, grab baking soda and add roughly 1 teaspoon to the bottle. You can make a simple funnel by rolling up some paper and putting it in the top. Once that's in there, add 1 tablespoon of fabric softener, seal it up, and shake it all around until it's nice and mixed up. Let it settle for a minute and give it a test. It should smell great. And while I'm on the subject of DIY liquids, what about house cleaners? Well, there's definitely jobs for harsh chemicals like bleach. They're really something you don't need for common cleanups. Let's make something more eco-friendly that can be used near surfaces you prepare food on. Get another spray bottle and add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now grab some dish soap and add 1 teaspoon of that. Finally, we need to activate it all with some vinegar. Pour about 3 tablespoons into the bottle and then top it all off with some warm water. Now give it a hefty shaking and your cleaner is all set. This type of natural cleaner is great for cutting boards, light spills, all kinds of things. You can even use it on your dishes if you want. Now finally, here's a huge one that literally reduced my power bill 40% over the last year. I'm talking about light bulbs. LED bulbs cost more initially, but their power requirements are drastically lower than their incandescent counterparts.